Whoosh! Bonafide Hustler here. Today I'm going to do a little bit of thrifting. I want to take you guys along with me. So let's see what we find today in these Austin thrift stores. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. Subscribe to me on Instagram. What? Like me on Instagram. Wait, what? Follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you get a guide that teaches you how to do this for free. So basically I flip used items on eBay and Amazon and Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and my antique booth. You can learn how to do it too. Get the free guide. It's the first link down below. So I'm outside of a Savers. See what we find in here today. And I'm just gonna go thrifting randomly throughout the day today. So we'll see what we find. And then tomorrow for sure I'm gonna go thrifting. That should be a lot of fun. Might open up a whole new vlog for that. If you like these videos and if you want them to keep coming, then make sure you hit the like button, put a comment down below, and let's see what we find today. There are people waiting outside of the Savers. I call this guinea pigging. Basically, they're the guinea pigs. Like, I stay in the comfort of my car, and when the door opens, then I go over there. A lot of times if I go up to the door and I kind of chill there, then it's like all these kind of conversations ensue, and they're like, oh my gosh, it gets kind of crazy. I kind of like to just be in my car and mess with my social media and stuff like that, and then when those doors open, I'm gonna go in there. Hurry up. Okay, I think it's about to open. Here we go, here we go. I mean, this is why we're guinea pigging, see? I'm not going up there till they start opening those doors. Come on, open up. I just got done working out this morning. I could probably pry those doors open. I feel pretty strong. By the way, go follow me on my other Instagram called Boddamn. That's right, because workouts are dropping today. Yeah, my actual workouts. You remember all the guides that I built for the Bonafide Hustler channel, shoes to bucks, bags to bucks, all that kind of stuff, right? There are workouts that are freaking huge programs that are gonna be available, I mean, once you see this video. So go check out Boddamn on Instagram. It should be in the first link at the top. And yeah, see if the workouts are for you. They're awesome. If you want to get an awesome body, feel confident, more mobility, more energy, more stamina, less napping, get to the gym. Get a structured workout plan. Let me help you out. Okay, let's go to the Savers. I'm pretty sure it's about to open right now. I feel late to the party, man. There's like 8 people that went in before I did. Maybe guinea pigging is not a good idea. Gotta search this section of ooh. There's definitely ooh here. Look at this puzzle. This is a cool puzzle though. The Isle of Ooh. Ooh. Look at this bag. Athletic club. I'm part of an athletic club. The jacket section is really important to look at this time of the year. So sometimes you can find some serious bangers in here. Oh man. If you ever want to be like a bush, you know, or like spy on your girlfriend, this would be a perfect kind of jacket for you. All right, check out this bizarre pricing. It's a women's rugby kind of like jacket throw thing over you. Like, it doesn't really have sleeves. I guess it does have sleeves, but like the closure is pretty much not there. So it kind of just stays on your shoulders. Medium. Look at the price on this thing. What? And I think it's only because it has tags. And the tag says this. It's not worth that. What? Am I going crazy? Is this happening in your hometown too? Like these crazy prices? Oh my gosh. Now, I found some cool things that I think I'm gonna buy. King Ranch leather. This is a field jacket. We also have a Sedgefield awesome vest. Check it out, like Sherpa lined, kind of neat. That thing's sick. And then a Woolwich vest, which is like $4.50. Definitely gonna buy that. Ooh, I got some good stuff. All right, so King Ranch. I want to do this. I'll show you the Woolwich first. Woolwich vest, nothing crazy. Sherpa lined interior, nice, extra large men's. Selling on eBay for around 50, 60 bucks all day, but I'm gonna probably list it for 60, and I'm gonna put it in the booth for 40 at the same time. That was like $5. I used 20% off on everything, so really, actually, this was more like $4. And then this is kind of cool. This is an experiment. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna work out? It's Cabin Creek. Even the lady checking me out, she wasn't checking me out. I mean, she wasn't checking me out. Maybe she was checking me out. I don't know. Anyway, so like, yeah, this Cabin Creek kind of women's coat, but it has that Aztec-y kind of fleece look to it. This was really cheap. Decided to swing on it. See, it says $5.49, so I got 20% off that. And I'm gonna throw that in the booth for like 30, 40 bucks. See what happens. King Ranch field coat. This is awesome. It's one of the nicer ones. Very, very, how do I say it? So this was actually 16 bucks, and that's the logo you want to look for, King Ranch. Anyway, this is a field coat, and it's a thin field coat, so should sell pretty well. I looked for holes, no holes anywhere. That should sell. I'm gonna put it on eBay for around 100, maybe 120. See what happens. This is really cool too. Sedgefield denim vest with the kind of sheepskin interior, really cool, vintage Sedgefield. This was around 12 bucks out the door. Really nice. This will go in my booth as well. In fact, everything here is probably going to be listed in my booth as well. I'll tag it today, put it in there today, and then have pictures taken. So let's get to the next thrift store. All right, it's about 2 or 3 hours into the day, and I dropped off all that stuff I found already at the booth, so that was great. And then went to go get my teeth cleaned. Heard a cha-ching while I was in the dentist seat, and it was the Porsche jacket from, like, I think last week or whatever. Not last vlog, but maybe 2 or 3 vlogs ago. The Porsche jacket sold. I think it was like 15 bucks into that. Sold for 140. So now I have to go back to the booth, pick that thing up, and there's a Goodwill right here, by the way, and we're gonna go into that real quick. But the booth is like a mile away from here. So let's go see if we can find this Goodwill, if anything. Okay, so let's look around. I think there might be some cheddar here. Not quite seeing anything of value here, so I'm probably gonna jet, but definitely looking through everything. The profit could be anywhere. It's just a matter of how much time do you have to, you know, surrender to a thrift store. But there's profitable stuff in every genre. I just like going to a bunch of them. That's how I make money. Just going to a bunch really quick and hitting the genres that I care about the most. I think everyone's got a different kind of like style. You know, I think I have the luxury here of having a lot of thrift stores, and that's cool, but I understand some people might not have that luxury, and so you have to spend a little bit more time looking around, you know. By the way, if you're enjoying the vlogs with my friend Jess, then comment down below, let me know that, because I think there's a chance maybe tomorrow I can thrift with her again. So yeah, let me know. I'm back.
Hey, wow, twice in a day.
I know.
Crossover.
All right, so just here to pick up one thing. There she is. Porsche jacket. All right. So there we go. And that goes with me. And I'm going out the back entrance too. Now all I have to do is box this up, and it goes out to eBay tomorrow. If I'm lucky, maybe even today. We'll see. So before we get to the next Goodwill, boom, protein shake. You know, got to put protein in my body every, you know, like 3 to 4 hours. So that, you know, if you might be wondering, like, what's in this thing? All right, so there's like 2 scoops of vegan protein. There is 1 scoop of collagen protein, flaxseed, chia seeds, arginine, iodine drops, frozen mangoes, 1 banana, and cacao nibs. Yeah, and there's also some probiotic stuff in there too. I got a banana. So you gotta eat healthy, you gotta treat your body right if you want it to perform right. So yeah, smoothie. $10 NutriBullet, or whatever this thing is, a Ninja NutriBullet looking thing. 10 bucks at a garage sale. So sick. I've been using it heavily for like the past 1.5 years now. So good. What do you blend up your smoothies with? Let me know down below. Are you a Vitamix person, a NutriBullet, or this like Ninja XL? I don't know what this thing is called, but anyway, this thing is super awesome. It's officially the next day, and I just woke up, so I have boxed up the Porsche jacket, and I am going to pick up something really cool from next door. 40 bucks. So it was 75 on next door, talked it down to 40, and this thing is 22 minutes away. It's apparently pretty big. Let's go pick it up. Now this thing, honestly, from the dimensions that they've kind of described to me and everything, the way that it looks, this could be something that could sell in my booth between maybe $300 and $600, something like that. So it's 40 bucks. I'm gonna go pick it up. It's really cool. It's really cool. I think it's gonna be really cool. They said it's really cool. You'll see. You gotta comment down below if you think it's really cool. All right, I pulled up to the house, and here is the $40 find. What? 40 bucks. That thing is crazy looking. It's a 1940s stage light from the Texas State Fair. Look how crazy this thing is. Okay, comment down below. What do you think? Awesome or not? Oh my gosh. I might be able to sell that thing for like a G in my booth. It's possible. We'll see. All right, got it in the car. Oh man, this thing is super cool. So apparently, it was used in the Texas State Fair, like 1930s, 1940s, and there's even hearsay that some person named Sally Rand danced in front of this or something like that. So I don't know who Sally Rand is, but maybe you guys in the comments could let me know what Sally Rand is before I Google it and everything. Do I keep this thing? Do I sell it? If I sell it, how much would I price it at? It's beautiful. Love it. All right, so I'm at an apartment complex now, picking up another next door kind of free thing this time. It's nothing crazy, but just shows you the power of next door. That's where I found that light, and that's where I'm picking up this thing. It's such a small thing, but me having a gym, it's free, I'll take it. There it is. Boom. Foam roller. Good condition. I'll take it. Trigger point therapy, foam roller, camo one, free. Sweet. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the vlog and you're learning a couple things here and there, put a comment down below, hit the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and then I'll open up a new one today when I go thrifting, because I'm probably going to see a lot of thrift stores. So, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye!